What's up guys, my name is Khadija. So we are back with another hair tutorial, and today I have a special unit for you guys. Today we'll be working with Nadula Hair, and the unit we'll be working with is their 24-inch kinky curly highlighted wig, and I honestly love this unit. The unit comes fully customized. It has 2 combs in the side, the strap in the back. Everything was pretty much done to the unit already. It comes with 2 combs in the side, 1 in the back, and it has that strap already attached to it. The unit comes fully customized and ready to be installed. If you're interested in this unit, then go ahead and keep watching this video, and I'll be back with my final thoughts and a coupon code for you guys. Stay tuned. The first thing I'm gonna do is to put my wig grip band on. This is basically my bald cap method without the actual bald cap. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. This actually protects your edges and keep your wigs in place. I'm also gonna go ahead and add a super thin wig cap over this. So the next thing I'm about to do is to apply some foundation to my unit. I use the e.l.f. Cream Contour Palette, but if you have lace tints or foundation, you can go ahead and use your shade in any of the following. This is what I use. I use the e.l.f. tint. I normally use this shade right here. They don't have names, but I normally use this shade right at the end. I'm just gonna go ahead and turn my wig inside out and apply my foundation. The reason I'm doing this is to basically get the lace to blend with my skin better. You do not want to have ashy white laces, so make sure you apply some foundation or some lace tints to your wigs, to your lace, to get rid of that white lace, because that does not look good around the hairline when you're wearing your wigs. Guys, so now that we did that, this is what our wig is looking like. As you can see, it's giving a nice warm medium brown lace tint vibes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put this on. Again, it did come with the strap already attached to it, and it already came pre-plucked. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig on and see what she actually looks like on her head. So this is what the wig is actually looking like. Now that we put it on, it's giving Beyonce, and I love it. This is it. What I'm about to do now is to basically just use my hot comb and push the hairline back a little bit. Apply some of my sunlight wax stick to my hairline, and then use my hot comb to just push the hairline back a little bit. You can use whatever hair wax you have, even if it's beeswax. Use whatever you have. This is what I have. This is the sunlight wax stick, and this is what I'll be using. Use whatever you have. Whatever you have and whatever works for you, use that one. This is what I have. Just gonna go ahead and apply a little bit to the hairline, and then we push this back. Alright, so the next thing I'm about to do is to cut the ear tabs out. You do not want these sitting on top of your ear. It is so annoying. So make sure you go ahead and cut that out and fit it to my head. So let's go ahead and do that. So first thing, you want to find the end of the lace. Find the end. Alright, so I'm just going to go ahead and cut it right where the hair ends on the wig, and right above my ear. So this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do this to the other side. Next up, we're about to lay our wig. Today I'll be using my Eben Wonder Lace Bond glue to install this unit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull the wig back, apply the glue, and then pull my wig over it. So what I'm about to do, I'm just gonna apply the glue right where my hairline ends. Now I'm just gonna use the end of my comb to just spread this around the hair. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my blow dryer on cold air to make this tacky, and then we apply the wig to it. So let's go ahead and pull our wig forward. Honestly, when it comes to the even wonder, I can't dry it like completely where you can't see the white, because it doesn't work for me. It doesn't stick. So this is where I stop drying it when I feel like, okay, it's tacky enough. So now I'm just gonna go ahead, pull my wig forward, and you want to pull the hairline right on top of the glue. So right where the hair begins on the wig, you just want to apply that part right there to the glue. Guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off, tie this down, and then we finish our wig. But this is what it's looking like. Just gonna go ahead and cut the excess lace off. So I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is what it's looking like. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig. They did send us a melting strap, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this to tie our hair down. It is given, okay? It is given fluffy, it's given colors. Alright guys, so while I'm laying the lace, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish styling my unit. I definitely will be keeping it in the center. It is just so pretty, so fluffy. I totally love this unit. It is so fluffy. The color is so pretty. Like, honestly, I love it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Today I'll be using the olive oil mousse. Just gonna go ahead and get my curls in. I will be working in smaller portions and just work my way throughout the unit. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. It's giving us some really nice, tight, kinky curls. I love it. The unit is super soft. You can actually see the color combo better. Super, super soft. It's still giving fluffy even though it's wet. I love that. This is it. Super cute. Just gonna go ahead and finish up this side. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and apply some of my Paul Mitchell Skinny Serum to restore the moisture and the silkiness in this unit. Alright, so now I'm just gonna take this off, see what she looks like. Just gonna go ahead and apply some foundation to my part, and that'll be it for this unit. I honestly love how this is just super melted. It's giving natural. I don't need to make any baby here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. The unit is so pretty, so soft. I honestly just love this. Color combo on this one is just super pretty, and I just love it. Again, this unit is from Nadula Hair. This is their 24-inch 13x4 highlighted kinky curly wig. Overall, I love the color combo on this unit. The lace melts super good. The unit overall is just super pretty. I love how easy it was to handle. If you're interested in getting this unit, then go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. This is what it's looking like, and I completely love this unit. If you want to get this wig, go ahead and click that link in my description and make your purchase. Be sure to use my coupon code to get your discounts. This is the finished look.